What the heck have I done to my Excel sheet, and how to undo it? I have a lot of Excel sheets for all sorts of things, but none has ever acted up like this one here. This used to be a totally normal Excel 2007 sheet, which I was able to resize, maximize, etc., but not anymore. The MDI child window is fixed, both in position and size. I cannot move it around, nor can I maximize it to use the full size of the screen anymore. I cannot double-click on its title bar to maximize it either. Frown. What happened? What can I do to undo whatever I did to it? Any ideas? I tried to share and do sharing. I tried to unprotect the sheet. Nothing seems to work.
Go to Review in GT, Changes in GT, Protect Workbook, and uncheck Protect Structure in Windows option. If you have set a password for it, Excel will prompt you to enter it. Otherwise, just hit Enter to remove the structure and window protection. On Excel 2011 for Mac, the process is only slightly different. On the Review tab, under Protection, click Workbook to remove the protection. See also the official online help.
One way that can be done is through VA. See here, this URL. And another VA method, this URL. See if there are any macros associated with this sheet. It's also possible that this is due to workbook protection, this URL. Update, I've been able to duplicate that issue in Excel 2007, and it is a worksheet protection issue. In Excel 2007, select the Review tab, then click the Protect Workbook button and uncheck Protect Structures in Windows.
My guess is whatever is wrong, the answer is in the View menu. Try double-clicking the title bar where it says IQ of 2010 to maximize it.
When changing resolution, plugging/unplugging a screen, this sometimes happens. Save, close, open a fresh new window, and open that file again.
Microsoft Excel,